Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Baker 676 Bayou Wolf error when you're playing Call of Duty. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up File Explorer. So if you have the icon down your taskbar, just go ahead and open it up. Otherwise, you can search for it in the Start menu search. And then on the left side, you want to select this PC. Double click on whatever drive your applications are installed on. And then locate program data. Double click now on the Microsoft folder. Double click on Windows. Do the same thing now for Start menu. Double click on that. Should be a Programs folder. Double click on that. And now there should be a battle.net folder in here. Double click on it. Now, in your case, there will be a shortcut in here. So in my case, I don't have one, but let's just say, for example, it's going to be the same policy with any shortcut. So let's just say, let me just rename it here just to make it easy for you guys. So I'm just going to call this battle.net. This is what you should see. In your case, there should be something that says battle.net in here. What you want to do is right click on it and then select properties. Select the compatibility tab. And then you want to check mark where it says run this program as an administrator. And then once you've done that, go ahead and select apply and OK. And now if you launch the application through the Start menu, it should automatically default to this shortcut. Otherwise, you might have to copy the shortcut and save it to the desktop and then delete whatever old shortcuts you have because you want to run this as an administrator. So it should work. If you double click on this, it should launch it fine. And you may need to replace other shortcuts. Like I said, if you have them on your desktop or your taskbar, you might want to delete the old ones and replace them with the new one here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.